Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're a British citizen living in Australia and your passport is expiring or has already expired, this video will walk you through exactly how to renew it. This is based on the full step-by-step guide available on our website, ukabroad.net. I'll also be showing you sections of the guide on screen as we go. First things first. If you're renewing your British passport from Australia, the entire process is completed online. You do not apply through the Australian government or through an embassy or consulate. Everything starts online. And once your documents are submitted, your new passport will be printed in the UK and couriered back to you in Australia. So what do I actually need? You will need your current or expired British passport, a digital passport photo that meets strict requirements. This is one of the main reasons for delays or rejections. Your personal details exactly as they appear on your passport. Details of any other passports you hold, for example, if you're a dual British-Australian citizen. And of course, payment for the renewal fee. One of the biggest causes of delays is an incorrect photo, so make sure your photo meets UK standards. Otherwise, your application can be delayed, rejected, or held up. Now let's quickly go through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Complete the secure online application. Step 2. Make the payment online. Step 3. Your application is reviewed to make sure everything is correct and compliant. Step 4. You'll be guided on how to submit your passport and supporting documents. Your documents are then securely sent to the UK. Once processed and approved, your brand new British passport is couriered back to your Australian address. And how long does it take? On average, renewals from Australia takes around 3 to 4 weeks. However, processing times can vary depending on demand. If you have travel plans, do not leave this until the last minute. It's always best to renew several months before your passport expires. A few important tips before we finish. Double-check every detail on your application before submitting. Make sure your name matches exactly across all documents, and do not book any international travel until your physical passport has been delivered. And if your passport has been expired for many years, you may be asked for additional documentation, so allow for extra time. Renewing your British passport from Australia is straightforward when done correctly, but small mistakes can cause delays. So, if you'd like guidance, step-by-step instructions, or professional assistance, you can visit ukabroad.net and read the complete guide. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share it with any other British expats living in Australia who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.